I'd like to give you some honest facts about air filters. And this is your standard type, and it's a papery type material, quite often a synthetic type material. That's what the manufacturers use. Offers very good filtration of the air, as clean as possible going into the engine. Now the performance type of air filter, commonly the K&N, but there is others, they will typically be a cotton type fabric, and then it's covered in a tacky oil to try and attract dust to stick to it, and then the outer surface is strengthened with a wire gauze. Now these may flow better for their size, but you have to appreciate that if the two filters are the same size, they fit the same air box. For this to offer better flow, that means it has to filter less. And I can demonstrate holding the air filter up to a bright light. It does cause the camera to go mad, but you can see the light. You see the light, bright light behind it, but I certainly can't see any holes or anything at all. Now with the K&N filter, when you hold it up, you can immediately see there's much more light getting through there, and there's also lots of pinholes which you won't be able to see perhaps on the camera. Therefore, this will allow more dirt to pass through, which potentially could cause increased engine wear over the long term. So that's really, you don't see manufacturers using this type of filter, and that's why they want the cleanest possible air going into the engine. Things like valve seats, you know, if dirty air is going to cause more potential damage to the valve seats, and even the engine oil will become dirtier with dirty air. So you're going to get the oil turning darker quicker, and then that oil will have more contamination. Here is a foam type filter, and again, similar story. It's going to flow well, but it's not going to filter that air anything like as good as the original type. Now the bigger the filter the better, because again you're going to increase the flow capacity. This is a good solution. You've got a great big cone filter. This is a original Honda filter from the S2000, and the size is big, yet you've still got that proper manufacturer's quality material. So the ideal way to increase the airflow capacity is to go for a bigger filter, yet still of proper manufacturer's specification. These may flow more, but for their given size, they're going to filter less.